Welcome back to Aviation Lab. This morning we are at a small airport in a beautiful mountain valley, and you are riding right on the nose of the airplane. See the numbers? Runway 22. Runways are named for their compass direction. 22 means about 220 degrees, almost southwest, straight down this valley. Power comes in smoothly, and the runway stripes start streaming under the nose, faster and faster. And just like that, the wheels leave the ground. The whole valley opens up, green fields below, and a long mountain ridge running beside us, like a wall. A small airplane like this climbs around 700 to 1,000 feet every minute. In moments, the view goes from runway to postcard. This is why pilots wake up early. Thanks for flying with Aviation Lab. Subscribe, and come fly with us again. Dream, learn, fly.